Hi, Greg here from Kiwi Wanderers. In today's Tech Tips, we're going to talk about our breakaway system and our anti-sway or ESC system. We're going to talk about how they work and how to check they're working properly. So this video is only really applicable to caravans over 2,500 kilos and that have electric brakes and ESC fitted. So most Australian and most American caravans. Righto, today we're going to talk about the breakaway system first up. So the breakaway system has three main components. It has a warning module in the car, it has the switch, and it has the control module inside the van. In this particular van, this is a reasonably late model Jayco van, it is, believe it or not, underneath the stove. Not sure why, but that's where it is. Righto. So the key to making this system work correctly is to have the breakaway system shorter than the safety chains. And the idea behind that is that as the vehicles part, the brakes come on, the trailer stays nice and straight behind you, and the safety chains keep it under control so it doesn't veer off into another lane. Everything slows down nicely and the trailer doesn't end up whacking into the back of the car. I mean, there's a fuel tank there and an LPG tank there, so not a good thing to have them crashing together. So the secret is, as I said, to make this the right length. I've got a couple of D-shackles down here. I'll loop it through and clip it back up to here, and you can see that that's looser now than the safety chain. So I'll show you what happens when the vehicle separates, how the brakes come on. Righto, here we are. We're going to simulate a trailer coming off. So all the safety chains and everything are on, and pulls out the breakaway and the buzzer comes on and everything's good. Right, and here we can see the trailer hitch with the safety chains holding the whole weight of the caravan. Okay, pre-launch test. The test we do before we set off every time. Open the driver's door. I'm fortunate that I have a lovely assistant to help me. There she is. And now we're going to pull the breakaway pin, and we can hear the beeping from the module in the car. And Sandy's saying yes, the brakes are on, and she's just going to check to make sure that the stop lights are on. Yep, good. So we reinsert the pin and we are good to go, knowing that our breakaway system will work perfectly. So this is the unit in the car, just needs to be plugged into the cigarette lighter. I have mine positioned under the dash because the red LED goes all the time, and obviously it's loud enough that you can hear it. Okay, so this is the unit underneath the oven, the module that controls the whole thing. You can do a test with it, and here I am doing a test. Push the button, and as you can see, the light's supposed to stay on for 5 seconds. Basically, that's a pass, so we're all good there too. Righto, now we're talking about our electronic sway control. The purpose of this is to detect a sway in the caravan and put the brakes on either side or all together to correct that sway. So technology has been around for a long time. We're fitted with a lippet sway command. Right, this is the sway command, which is mounted under the front, on the front cross member of the caravan. Pretty bulletproof systems. This technology has been around since about 1995 in some European cars, so not expecting any grief. Rightio, our final check is the ESB system. This is really easy to check compared to the breakaway system. All you have to do is plug in the car and it lights up, goes through a series of tests, and hopefully you should end up with 4 green lights. That means the system's all good, and you'll see those 4 green lights will flash. There you go, a little pulse. That's just doing a test to make sure everything's still all connected. So There's a whole series of fault codes if the lights don't come on right, or there's red lights on there. So, but this, yeah, it's quite a good manual on it. So, yeah, we are now ready to go, having checked our brake system, our breakaway system, and our electronic stability control. Righto, hope you've got something out of the video. I can't find any stats on how many caravans come unhitched in New Zealand. I'm sure there's a few. And yeah, if it's been helpful, please subscribe to our channel so we can give you some more helpful hints. Thanks for watching.